Capacity, 3 cup, uncooked, 6 cup, cooked. Automatic cook/warm switch. Tempered glass lid with air vent. Removable non-stick cooking pot. Cooking and warm indicator lights. The IMUSA Rice Multipurpose Cooker will make the perfect rice dish at the touch of a switch. The glass lid will allow you to monitor your rice as it cooks. Cleaning is easy with the removable non-stick coated pot, which prevents your rice and other foods from sticking. Make your favorite rice dishes, vegetables, oatmeal, and more with your IMUSA Rice Multipurpose Cooker. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect rice in 40 minutes, 20 to cook, 20 to steam. For the 3-cup uncooked model, the ultimate in set and forget, this rice maker is an extremely affordable way to make perfect rice if you always ruin rice or prefer minute rice, which is more money per volume compared to getting a huge bag that will last many meals. One 6-bag box of minute rice can be the same price as a 10-pound bag. So simple to use and the instruction booklet is very informative. Fill to the desired levels as per the instructions, place the lid, flip the switch, and let it cook. For instance, I always do 1 cup of rice to 1.5 cups of water. But don't forget to rinse the rice until the water is clear. The most convenient feature this product has is the ability to rinse the rice in the included non-stick pot and not lose 1 grain while pouring out the starchy water. There are also indented/raised measurement markers on the pot. Wash with soap and a sponge. Clean in seconds. $18 well spent and the stress of making rice is gone.